Hello, my friends. How are you today? Fine? Very good. I'm fine too. Excellent. Okay, listen. I'm going to ask you, how is the weather? How is the weather? Is it a sunny day? Is it a rainy day? Is it a windy day? Or is it a cloudy day? How is the weather for you? Tell me, my friend. How is the weather? Okay, today in this class we are going to learn farm animals. Farm animals? Do you remember farm animals? Old MacDonald had a farm. I'm going to show you a song about farm animals. Yes? So, look at this. Pay attention here. Flick box.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on the farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Very good. Excellent. Did you remember this song? ¿Se acuerdan? Okay, here in this song we have six animals, alright, 6 animals, yes? Here we have a cat, yes? Here we have a dog, here we have a cow, here we have a duck, here we have a horse, and the last one is a pig, and it's pink, my favorite. We have 6 animals, my friends. 6. Oh, very good. So, your activity is you have to create, van a crear, yes, a farm, una granja, like my friend Old MacDonald, como la granja de mi amigo MacDonald with these animals. Okay, so you can use materials, yeah, that you have at home, yes, whatever you have at home, yes, lo que tenga. Material like this, colors, blue, green, yellow, red, whatever color, yes, that you have at home. Or maybe toys. Look at my toys. Here we have a cow, dog, duck, and some fish. Yes, the pink fish and the green fish. Yes, you have to create your farm with toys maybe. Or look at my hot animals. Huh? Yes, I use only some paper that I have my bedroom. So you have to create your farm, yes, like this or like this with the toys, and then you have to take a photo and send me to our virtual class. But wait. You have to pay attention to our song, yes? And then you have to sing the song, yes? Okay, enjoy the activity. Bye-bye, my friends. See you next class.